Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to my channel. In last video we learned about contra voucher, receipt voucher, payment voucher, and in this video we will learn about purchase and sales voucher. Okay, and I was getting request also for the same. So let's begin. Okay,
and these entries will be without GST. Okay, GST entries I will show later because I have not started.
tally screen. From here we will start recording the sales entry first. Okay, so I'm pressing V. Pressing with right hand side, you can see date, company, contract, payment, receipt, journal, sales, purchases. So friends, before making any sales, we have to purchase the items first. So I'll record some entries, purchase entries. Okay, that would be repetitive, and I'll show how to duplicate an entry. Okay, so suppose contra voucher was selected. Okay, now two things you have to take care, which I already told you in last video, that first you have to see the type of voucher which is selected, which appears on left hand side, top right, top left. Okay, so here you can see contra is selected. Now I'll select purchase. Either you can press F9 from your keyboard or you can select from here. Now second thing, we have to check the date. So this is educational mode. I cannot record entries on all the dates, so I'll select here 1st April. Date I selected. Now supplier invoice number. For this only we chose that option to yes, that maintain bill by bill. While creating purchase ledger, we enable that option. Okay, now suppose I'll give invoice name as purchase P001. Okay, now date is 1st April. Party name ABC supplier account is the creditor account. Okay, creditor are the suppliers who supplies goods to us on credit. Okay, so I'll select everything, I'll accept as it is. And if you are buying from the same state, then supplier I have created under Karnataka only, so that will be intrastate supply. Intrastate, that sales supplies which are happening within same state are termed as intrastate. Okay, suppose I am buying olive oil, for which go down I am buying, I have to select that. So press space bar from the keyboard to get the go down options. Suppose I am buying for Mysore location. Quantity, how much we are buying. Suppose I am buying 100 liters. $20 per liter. Okay, then again shoe rubber I am buying 100 kgs. So I pressed space bar. Then suppose I am buying for Secunderabad, go down 100 kgs. Okay, 10 kg. Okay friends, so now I'll move, and third I'll buy TV, Sony TV. Suppose the price for this, first I will select the go down. Suppose I am purchasing for Bengaluru to go down. Quantity I am purchasing 5 numbers, and the rate is 25,000. Okay, so these 3 stock items I am getting, and I am purchasing these items from ABC supplier account on credit. Either you can buy from one supplier or you can buy from different suppliers. So if you are buying from one supplier, this is how you will record the entries, but I have shown you this. Now I'll show you how you will record. You just have to accept the entry, but I'm not accepting because I'll buy from the different suppliers. Okay, from ABC I'll buy olive oil, and then shoe rubber I'll buy from different supplier. Okay, I'll show you. So friends, I deleted those stock items. New reference will be on same day I'll purchase this shoe rubber and this Sony TV, but from different suppliers. So for creating, I'll press Alt C. Okay, for your ease, I'm opening this on-screen keyboard. Alt C. First I give the invoice number, then I'll create Alt C, pressed. See, from gateway of Tally also you can create ledger, or if you are on this recording entry screen, then from there also by pressing Alt C you can create ledger, okay, directly. So that was the XYZ. We purchased olive oil from ABC supplier. Now I'll create XYZ. So XYZ supplier account I'm creating, and I'll select sundry creditors. Yes, everything yes. Suppose this part is also from Karnataka and our company is also located in Karnataka. Okay, so intrastate purchase will happen. Name of item, and I'll select both the stock items, this shoe rubber and Sony TV, both from this supplier only. Same I have to select go down, then space bar, Secunderabad, go down. Sony TV, location Bengaluru, go down, 5 numbers, 25,000. Okay, these two items I am purchasing from XYZ supplier account. Okay, now I have to accept the entry. Other details you can give for applicability of e-way bill and everything. You can give the details, vehicle number, transport name, everything. You can see this at left hand side. Okay. So these are dummy entries we are recording. I am leaving as it is, but you have to give all the details properly. Okay. And while creating ledger, you have to be very careful while selecting the state, because that will impact your type of GST. Okay. Everything I gave, reference number it will take from there only. Okay. Now I am getting this tax amount does not match the value calculated. Okay, so it's asking to check. Let me check. It's showing related reports. Okay, so GST tax analysis. So I accepted the entry. If you want to check the entry again, you press page up. Okay, I'm pressing page up. We got the entry, previous entry. So these are the purchases. Now to check the entries, you have to press day book, or you have to select day book. Okay, I'm selecting day book. Okay, this is the entry we recorded. Now if you have to duplicate the entry, for example, you are making same number of purchases for same items every month, then you can duplicate the entries by pressing Alt 2. Okay, Alt 2. Now you can see here duplication it's showing. Okay, so this is the main thing. This is one of the main things we learned in this video. P002. Okay, and date I'll change to 1st May. Every month I am making same purchase, so I am duplicating the entries. Okay, now everything will remain same. Okay, now same for same XYZ also we will press all 2. Then so 2 things we learned. I mean 2 shortcuts we learned. To create a ledger we have to press Alt C, and then this to duplicate an entry you can do it by pressing Alt 2. Okay, now let's move further. This is gateway of tally. Then I will press V. We got this screen. You see here type of ledger selected is purchase, so I'll select sales, or I'll press A8 from my keyboard. Okay, now we will sell goods to customers on credit. Those are our debtors. Okay, and that will come under current asset. Show balance sheet also, because we are making some entries. Okay, now this is the supplier account. For ease of understanding, I have created name as Dinesh customer ABC supplier, for ease of understanding. Okay, so that you don't get confused. Sales ledger, I'll change the date. Okay, date I'll keep as 1st April, because this is the first sales we are making. Okay, name of item what I am selling. So first I purchased olive oil, I'll sell olive oil first. Okay, see only those options will reflect. Main location, which is by default present in Tally and Mysore, where we purchased the olive oil for. Okay, now I will sell 90 liters. Rate I'll keep 80. So friends, we are moving step by step. So I am showing these entries without making any GST entry. Okay, for ease of understanding, first entries like this, then I'll show you how to record GST part. Okay, so suppose olive oil. Okay, I'll accept the entry. Same, I'll keep the name as S001, that is sales. And now I'll accept. Duplication of entries I showed for purchase, same will apply to this sales also.